Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you want to make the drink like they did back in the 19th century, granulated sugar or a sugar cube is the way to go. If you want to make the cocktail with more of a modern twist, opt for simple syrup.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The sugar cube is one old-fashioned tradition that can definitely be skipped. You totally can, however, since rich syrup has a higher ratio of sugar to water, it allows you to add the required sweetness without diluting the drink as much as regular simple syrup would.
Take our lead.
Straightforward and timeless, an old-fashioned cocktail never goes out of style. A simple combination of Maker's Mark bourbon, bitters, sugar and a splash of water. Just garnish your masterpiece with an orange slice and a cherry on top, and you've got the perfect drink.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
That's 32 grams if you're reading labels, and about 6% of your total calories for the day. That means 32 total grams, 4 grams per teaspoon equals less than 8 teaspoons added sugar per day. 1 teaspoon sugar equals 1 sugar cube equals 1 sugar packet.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you want to make the drink like they did back in the 19th century, granulated sugar or a sugar cube is the way to go. Once you've mastered the bourbon old-fashioned, you can also try making the cocktail with rye whiskey, which results in a slightly spicier drink.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Instructions: beat eggs, add sugar and mix. Add butter, milk, and vanilla, mix. Sift together dry ingredients and add to mixture. Roll dough on well-floured surface to 1/2 inch thickness. Heat oil to 350 F. Place cooked donuts on a baking sheet lined with brown paper or paper towels to soak up excess oil.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.